Okay, found two laundromats right across from each other. This one is 1 kilogram for 100 baht. And the one right across the street is also 1 kilogram for 100 baht. Right here. And it's 4-hour express. And also there's a third one right next to it is massage, studio, and laundry. So 3 right in a row, probably all about the same rate. Unfortunately, none of them are open. Looks like the earliest this one opens over here is 12 o'clock. I'm actually going to knock on the door, see if I can wake anybody up, because they usually sleep right there in their shops. Because the sign says 12 a.m. to 24 p.m., which I'm guessing that's going to be noon to midnight. No, maybe I better not knock after all, because it is really dark in there and there's definitely people sleeping in there. There's all their shoes. Looks like probably about 10 or 12 people working in this place. So we're gonna come back at noon. I'm gonna put this bag of laundry in my backpack and hopefully I'll be able to find this alley, because this is like, I just snaked like a cobra to get down here. Just left and right. But I am not far from the main highway, so I should be able to orient myself there and find this soy. Alleys and streets are not really well marked in Thailand. I'm on the corner now, and I don't see any kind of marking for where this is. But like I said, the highway's right down there. So if I make a landmark down there somewhere on the highway, like that McDonald's, for example, I should be able to find this alley. 1 kilogram for 100 baht is the best, definitely the best price I've seen by half. And that's about $2, no, $3. 100 baht is about $3 for 2.2 pounds. And I think my bag is right around there. So about $3 for this whole bag of laundry, washed, dried, and folded. They fold it very nicely for you. And they'll put it right back in your own original bag. So almost down to the corner. I'll see you this afternoon when I drop off my laundry. Actually, I'm on the way to the dentist, so I'll see you at the dentist.